Do you ever feel like you are not comfortable with your assigned gender at birth? Do you wish you could experience life as a girl, even if it's just for a day? Do you wonder what it would be like to have a feminine body, voice, or personality? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are not alone. Many people struggle with their gender identity and expression, and some of them may identify as transgender, non-binary, gender fluid, or other terms that describe their unique sense of self. Feeling like a girl is not something that can be easily defined or measured, as it is different for everyone. However, there are some common ways that people who want to feel like a girl can explore their femininity and express themselves in ways that make them happy and comfortable. In this video, we will discuss what it means to feel like a girl, why some people want to feel like a girl, and how you can feel like a girl without hormones or surgery. We will also share some tips and ideas on things you can do to feel like a girl, such as experimenting with your appearance, exploring your identity and expression, and taking care of your physical and mental health. What does it mean to feel like a girl? Feeling like a girl is not something that can be easily explained or understood by everyone. It is a subjective and personal experience that varies from person to person. Some people may feel like a girl all the time, some may feel like a girl only sometimes, and some may not feel like a girl at all. There is no right or wrong way to feel like a girl, as long as it is authentic and respectful to yourself and others. Feeling like a girl may involve different aspects of your identity and expression, such as your biological sex, which refers to the physical characteristics of your body, such as chromosomes, hormones, genitals, breasts, etc. Your gender identity, which refers to how you internally perceive yourself as male, female, neither, both, or somewhere along the spectrum. Your gender expression, which refers to how you externally present yourself through your clothing, hairstyle, voice, mannerisms, etc. Your sexual orientation, which refers to who you are attracted to romantically or sexually. These aspects are not necessarily fixed or correlated with each other. For example, you may have a male biological sex but identify as a female gender identity. You may have a female biological sex but express yourself in masculine ways. You may have any combination of sex, gender identity, and expression but be attracted to any gender or none at all. Why do some people want to feel like a girl? There are many reasons why some people want to feel like a girl. Some of them may include: they have always felt like a girl since childhood, but were forced or expected to act like a boy by their family, friends, or society. They have recently discovered or realized that they are transgender, non-binary, or gender fluid, and want to explore their true identity and expression. They are curious or fascinated by the experience of being a girl, and want to try it out for fun or experimentation. They are unhappy or dissatisfied with their current gender role or expectations, and want to escape or rebel against them. They are attracted to girls or women, and want to emulate or impress them. They have a fetish or fantasy of being a girl, and want to fulfill it sexually or romantically. How can you feel like a girl without hormones or surgery? Some people who want to feel like a girl may choose to undergo hormone therapy, or surgery to change their physical appearance, and align it with their gender identity. This is a personal and medical decision that should be made with the guidance and support of qualified professionals and loved ones. Hormone therapy and surgery can have significant benefits for some people, such as improving their self-esteem, mental health, and quality of life. However, they can also have potential risks and complications, such as side effects, costs, availability, legality, etc. However, hormone therapy and surgery are not the only ways to feel like a girl. There are many other things you can do to feel like a girl without changing your body permanently or medically. These things may not be as effective or satisfying as hormone therapy or surgery for some people, but they can still help you explore your femininity and express yourself in ways that make you happy and comfortable. These things may include: experiment with your appearance. One of the easiest and most common ways to feel like a girl is to change your appearance in ways that make you look more feminine. This can involve different aspects of your appearance, such as grow or style your hair. Hair is one of the most noticeable features of your appearance, and it can have a big impact on how you feel about yourself. Growing your hair long can make you look more feminine, especially if you style it in ways that suit your face shape and personality. You can also try different hairstyles that are typically associated with girls or women, such as braids, buns, ponytails, curls, waves, etc. You can also use accessories such as clips, bands, ribbons, flowers, etc. to add some flair and color to your hair. If you don't want to grow your hair long, or if you have thinning hair or baldness, you can also use wigs or extensions to create the illusion of long hair. You can choose from different colors, textures, lengths, and styles of wigs or extensions that match your preference and budget. You can also experiment with different looks without committing to them permanently. Wear makeup or nail polish. Makeup and nail polish are another way to enhance your appearance and make you look more feminine. You can use makeup to cover up any blemishes, scars, or stubble on your face, as well as to highlight your features such as your eyes, lips, cheekbones, etc. You can also use makeup to create different looks, such as natural, glamorous, cute, sexy, etc., depending on your mood and occasion. You can choose from different products, colors, brands, and techniques of makeup that suit your preference and skill level. You can also watch tutorials or get advice from experts or friends on how to apply makeup properly and effectively. Dress in clothes that make you feel feminine. Clothes are one of the most important aspects of your appearance, as they can reflect your identity and expression. Dressing in clothes that make you feel feminine can help you feel like a girl. You can wear clothes that are typically associated with girls or women, such as dresses, skirts, blouses, tops, leggings, jeans, etc. You can also wear clothes that accentuate your curves or create the illusion of a feminine figure, such as padded bras, corsets, shapewear, etc. You can also wear clothes that show off some skin or cleavage, such as low-cut tops, crop tops, shorts, etc., if you are comfortable and confident with your body. Take care of your physical and mental health. Another way to feel like a girl is to take care of your physical and mental health in ways that make you feel good and healthy. Your physical and mental health are closely related and affect each other. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help you feel more comfortable and confident with your body and mind. It can also help you prevent or treat any health issues or problems that may affect your gender identity or expression. It can also help you enjoy your life more and achieve your goals more easily. Feeling like a girl is not something that can be easily defined or measured. It is a subjective and personal experience that varies from person to person. There is no right or wrong way to feel like a girl, as long as it is authentic and respectful to yourself and others. Whether you are just curious, questioning, or transitioning, we hope this video has given you some tips and ideas on things you can do to feel like a girl. Remember that feeling like a girl is not a destination but a journey. You may encounter some challenges and difficulties along the way, but you may also discover some joys and surprises as well. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and be yourself.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.